Hello and welcome to another video. So today I really wanted to put something extra in this week because an amazing thing is happening. So a couple of days ago, Monday it was, I put in an order for some precious metals. So they should be arriving today and I can't wait. I'm completely stoked. It is by far what seems like my favorite way to invest because it's so exciting with having something physical to hold. So I cannot wait till this comes and we'll check back in when it comes. Right everyone, so I'm outside right now and the postman has just come by and delivered the gold. So it's here, we'll head back in and head to the unboxing. Alright, so we're back in the studio, I guess, my recording spot. And here we have it. I'll turn that around so you can't see my credentials, but it's here. So I reckon I'm just going to go right into it. I'll just open this somehow. I'm so excited. It's seemed like a good decision for me to make for a couple of days. So, very excited to have this gold. Alright, so we're in. And we are met with a very nice envelope. So this has come from a local coin shop in the city of Melbourne called Bullion Now. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I think they're an amazing, amazing shop. I'll leave a link for their online store beneath the video description, but let's get into it. So excited. Right. And the envelope is opened. Alright. So we are met with some bubble wrap stuff. Not heaps that I got, but still plenty enough. There's a business card. And I believe, yes, a tax invoice. So I will read that later. And here are the precious metals. So I'll flip the camera around and we'll have a look. Alright, here we are. I'm going to have to do this one-handed while filming. But we have the 3 coins that I've ordered here. So I'm just going to peel this off. Getting better at my one-handed skills in the meanwhile. I have to say, very well packaged. And here we have the Perth Mint 2004 lunar monkey, 1/20th of an ounce gold coin. It's 4/9 fine. Here we have the United States Mint American Silver Eagle. It's 1 ounce of 3/9 fine, or really 4/9 fine 2020 coin. And here we have the 2020 Buffalo round. It is 4/9 fine as well, and it is a round, not a coin. So 3 beautiful coins right here. Alright, so those were 3 incredible coins. I started off pretty small, but I will be getting some more in the future. I just wanted to test out how this whole thing works, and I'm really happy. So we'll first talk about the American Silver Eagle here. So this is from the United States Mint, as mentioned before. So this has come all the way from America, and it is 3/9 fine, but that usually means it's 4/9 fine. So that's mean it's about 99.99% silver. It's a beautiful coin, and this came in at about 37 Australian dollars, which is around 23 US dollars. So it's pretty good. Spot when I was filming was around 24 Australian dollars or 15 US dollars. So it wasn't heaps over the spot price of silver. So that's lovely. Next we have the Buffalo round. I'm not sure where this comes from. They do a lot of different designs all over America, but it is from the States. It is 3/9 fine, 1 troy ounce of pure silver, same as the Eagle, same amount. And this was 21 US or 33 Australian dollars. So just a little bit over spot there, which was also the same price when filming. And last but not least is the, let me try and get that in there, golden lunar monkey from 2004 with Her Majesty on the back. Now this is from the Perth Mint in Australia, which is a very renowned mint near, well not really near where I am, but a lovely other place in Australia. And I got this for 180 Australian dollars, which is around 115 US. So this is about 133, $135 worth at spot. There is a premium for coins that are of small denominations, because this is quite a small thing. They've put a lot of detail into a small coin, but I'm happy with that. It's a good first investment for me, and I'm happy to show you guys more of what I'm getting in the future. So just to reiterate, I'm really happy with all these coins. I think it's a good investment, even if you're starting off small. 1 ounce at a time isn't that much to, pull up with. It's costing me about $35 for 1 ounce, which isn't heaps if you put in some time, do some odd jobs, earn a little bit of money, and you can invest it in something small like this. So I find this is a good alternative to investing in the stock market, because it can be more expensive to buy shares and stuff like that. I'm not saying get just this and not get any stocks or anything. Again, I'm only a kid. It's just my opinions, but from the experience that I've had in the financial world, I think that these are going to turn out pretty well, and I like to diversify where my money is. So again, a big thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, press the subscribe button and check out my latest video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back in a couple of weeks with some more silver to unbox, so I can't wait for that, and I'll see you all later. Bye.